In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create custom templates that you can use over and over again, which will save you a ton of time. I'm Rebecca Livermore, the Office Creative. Now let's say that you very frequently post on Instagram or some other platform where you want to use a square image. I showed you in a previous video how to create a custom canvas size. And while it's not difficult, it's nice to not have to go through all of these steps over and over again. So what you can do is you can create a blank PowerPoint presentation that has just one slide that is the correct size. And you can just save it as, let's say, Instagram blank template. So the next time that you want to create an image for Instagram, you simply open this up. It's already the right size. But the good news is you can go even further than that with creating templates and make it very, very easy to change them in the future. So just for the sake of ease, I'm going to show you how to do it with just some very basic elements. And then you can take the time to create your own template that's perfect for you. And one of the ways that you can do that is really work hard at creating your first image to make it laid out just like you like it. And then you can just replace the pieces each time that you need to create a new image. But I'll give you an example. Let's say that you want to use the same background on every image. And just for the sake of ease, I'm just picking this one here. But let's say that you also want to have an image on every image that you create. What you could just do, and this is really just to create a placeholder for the image, is go ahead and add an image to your template. And it doesn't even matter too much what picture that you choose. So you're just going to grab one because you will replace it each time with the image of your choosing. So let's say that I want to make this smaller and more centered. And perhaps you want to use the same frame around a picture every single time. So let's just pick one. Let's say that's it. You may also want to put the title of a blog post on a overlay on each image. So let's go ahead and do that now. We're just going to insert a shape. And again, we don't have to worry about the color unless you want to use the same color every time. And we're going to insert a text box. And let's say that you use a particular font. Again, just for the sake of example, we'll use Arial Black and we'll put blog post title. And maybe you always want to center the title. So you'll just center it. Now down here at the bottom, you may want to include your logo or your website URL. So again, we're going to do insert text box. And let's center it and do yourwebsite.com. And there you have it. Now you could just save this as Instagram blog promo template as an example. All right, now let's say that you are ready to use this template in an image that you're going to create for your blog. Maybe this one you want to use a different photo, and so you would just click on Change Picture, and you can select either from your computer or from an online source. I'm going to select from an online source, and this time you want a flower. So again, we'll just pick one. And you'll see that it replaces the flower. And let's say that instead of a blue box, you want to make it white, because that goes better with this image. You would just make it white. And so on. And then you just put in the title, and there you have an image ready to use. Now, obviously, this was just a quick and dirty image that I created. I recommend the first time you create your template, you take a lot of care to make it fit with your brand colors and be something that you would be happy to use over and over again. Once you have the template created, all you do is open it up, swap out the picture, swap out the blog post title, and then save it as an image, and you're done. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'd really appreciate it if you'd like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the little bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I put out new content. Thanks so much, and happy creating!